Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Panel to probe charges of fake COVID testing by private lab during Kumbh Mela. The Haridwar district magistrate has ordered to probe into allegations of fake COVID-19 test conducted by a private lab during the Mahakumbh Mela. Allegations of tests done only on paper against the lab employed by the authorities to test devotees and series resulted in this inquiry. Estimates suggest that at least 70 lakh devotees attend the Mahakumbh held between 1 April and April 30. Held once every 12 years, the Mahakumbh was curtailed this year owing to a sharp surge in COVID infection in Uttarakhand and other parts of the country. To contain the spread of COVID-19 during the mass gathering, the district health department had employed 13 private labs to test devotees and seers for the injection. Organization of the Kumbh Mela hired another 9 private labs for the purpose. According to the officials, the private labs were issued strict instructions to record the name, contact number, and address of each Kumbh attendee tested for COVID-19. One such Haryana-based private testing lab hired to test Kumbh attendees for COVID-19 is now being accused of duping authorities. It has come to light that this private lab may have conducted tests only on paper. Monsoon likely to reach Delhi in next 48 hours, nearly 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Southwest monsoon may reach Delhi in the next 48 hours, having already advanced into parts of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, North Haryana, North Punjab, among other states, the Indian Meteorological Department said on Sunday. Southwest monsoon has arrived in several states 12 to 13 days ahead of the normal schedule. According to IMD, most parts of Delhi, NCR and Haryana are likely to witness heavy rain and thunderstorm on Sunday as monsoon advances, the weather department forecasted. As per IMD, the southwest monsoon has advanced into entire Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad. Furthermore, parts of East Uttar Pradesh and some parts of West Uttar Pradesh, North Haryana, Chandigarh and North Punjab have also witnessed the arrival of monsoon. According to the weather department, the conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into most parts Madhya Pradesh, remaining parts of East Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and some more parts of West Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab during the next 48 hours. Nirmal Milkha Singh, former India volleyball captain, dies of COVID-19 aged 85. Milkha Singh's wife and former India women volleyball captain Nirmal Milkha Singh passed away in Chandigarh on Sunday due to COVID-19. She was 85 years old. Nirmal Milkha Singh has tested positive for COVID-19 last month and had been in the ICU at the private hospital in Chandigarh. The hospital authorities said earlier this week that Nirmal's health had worsened. She was being treated with fluctuating oxygen levels. Notably, Milkha Singh has also admitted to the same facility last month, but his condition has been improving. Milkha Singh's family said the legendary sprinter could not attend his wife's funeral as he is under medical supervision. The family added the Nirmal passed away at 4 p.m. on Sunday. Former Director of Sports for Women in the Punjab government and former captain of the Indian women's national volleyball team, Nirmalji fought a valiant battle till the very end. A backbone of the Milkha Singh family, she was 85 years old. It is tragic that Milkha Singh could not attend the cremation, which was conducted this evening itself, as he is still in the ICU himself. The family has expressed its grateful thanks to everyone for their solidarity and prayers right through the battle which gave them the strength to face it bravely.